The Electoral College. It has worked for over 200 years, but a lot of people simply do not understand it. To understand, first, why we have the Electoral College, it is important to examine the fundamental principles of America. Many people are disillusioned by what the United States of America truly is from a political, ideological standpoint. When the phrase, "The United States is a democracy" is spoken, it carries truth and error. Democracy comes from the Greek words demos and kratos, which translated means rule by the people. Therefore, a democracy, such as ancient Greece, is a form of government in which the people truly rule. In comparison, a republic is a representative form of government, in which the people elect leaders to govern them. Therefore, America was founded on democratic principles to be a republic. To understand the Electoral College, it is important to understand how Americans are represented. During the Philadelphia Convention, James Madison and the Virginia delegation proposed their own plan. Under the Virginia plan, there was a bicameral legislature in which both chambers were proportionally represented by their state's population. This was referred to as the Big State Plan. To counter this, the New Jersey Plan was established. This plan proposed a unicameral legislative body in which each state was given a set, equal amount of delegates, which would benefit the smaller states, which is why it is sometimes referred to as the Small State Plan. To solve this debate about representation, Connecticut proposed a solution. The Connecticut Compromise, as it is called, has one house based on the population of states, known as the House of Representatives. In the other chamber, states have two people to represent them, regardless of population. This chamber is called the Senate. The Senate and the House, collectively, represent the basis for the Electoral College. States have a proportional number of delegates based on population. All states automatically have 3, 2 for each senator and 1 for the minimum number of members of a state has in the House of Representatives. The bigger the state's population, the more representatives they have, which, in turn, means more electoral votes. Today, there are 538 electoral votes. When people vote, they are voting for electors that will represent their vote, which is true to our representative form of government.